Okay guys, today we are going to be making an alkaline pizza loaded with veggies, hemp cheese. What's the other cheese? Say hi, girl.
What's up, you guys?
And we're gonna be pretty much doing like all types of veggies, not all types of veggies, but mushrooms, onions, a little bit of arugula. You got your different types of cheeses. We got our hemp cheese and our butternut squash cheese, nut-free. And we're
All right, I already have 2 cups of spelt in here. I'm adding a cup of rye flour. I'm gonna go ahead and add my dry ingredients first. You guys can look at the description for the measurements. Add my oregano and onion powder. Hold on, switch to the big guns.
I love onion powder and flour. It really changes the game.
All right, we're gonna add some sea salt. Once again, the measurements will be there for you guys to see.
That was some cayenne pepper there
Yes.
that we just added.
We're gonna add our basil. It's very important to mix your dry ingredients first, then to add. Then we're adding our olive oil.
Grapeseed oil.
Rapeseed oil. Sorry about that.
It's okay.
Now we're gonna add our spring water. So that was about a cup. So we're gonna mix it, and then you guys can either. That was about a cup and a half of spring water, and just keep mixing. If you feel you need more flour to make it a little thicker, or you feel you need more water just because it's a little too thick, you can do that too. Go ahead and just add half a cup of spring water as you go to get the consistency you want for your dough.
So now after you take your dough, you're gonna just start forming it out. We just have what is this, like a parchment paper that kind of like has outlined different sizes of pizza. So we're just gonna try to make it to the 7-inch. And it's just a tool, you don't need it, but it does help. So just flatten it out and we'll show you the next step. There we go. All right, so now we're gonna add our Brazil nut cheese to half of the pizza. And now we're gonna add our butternut squash cheese, nut-free, may I remind you.
Yes.
To half of the pizza. And then we're gonna add our toppings. Perfect. So for mine, I'm gonna add a little bit of arugula on the tomato side.